there. Hey, we both doubled up. Look at that. Oh, and the seagull got that one. Well, guess he got fed. Yeah. Well, I had it in a spot. Yeah. Croaker in a spot. And a pigfish. Look at that. 3 different species right here.
That's epic.
Yeah, 3 different species. And then he ate the 4th one. Yeah, you.
You know what I did, Daniel?
What?
I saw a twitch and I was like, I'm gonna let it ride. Yeah, doubled up.
Doubled up. Let's go get them all off and throw them back. Except the croaker. Keep the croaker.
Alright.
Yeah, I see you. Picking my fish. Yeah. Ain't getting this one though. I'm gonna let you go, buddy. It's like I always see the sand fleas when I don't have the bucket in my hand. Or the cage.